Today we're going to open up the Insta360 X3 video action cam that I got in the mail. I was looking for a new camera, something I could do some selfie video with. I was considering the GoPro, but I figured, I don't know about that. And I had a friend of mine who said, man, I've had 3 GoPros and they just absolutely, after 1 or 2 years, lose their warranty and they break. And so I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna go for the GoPro. And so I've never even heard of this before. He said you should go for the Insta360. I obviously did a quick Google search and did a little bit of YouTubing and decided to go ahead and opt for it. And really the only backlash I heard from it, at least online, was the fact that it was a little bit bulkier than the GoPro. And I said, well, heck, I don't care about that. I'm not necessarily going to be doing any amazing, crazy features with it. The fact that it does have 360, that's pretty cool. And so I figured, why not give it a shot? Here it is right here, the Insta360 X3. So I think this is a pretty slick looking box. So let's do some unboxing. Right when you get into it, look right there. That's pretty cool. Can you see it? Bam. First impressions is it looks pretty good. It's actually pretty heavy. Looks pretty nice. It's got 2 buttons on the front, camera at the top, and it's got the camera on the back as well. It's got, what's this slot for right here? Right here is where you charge it, a charging port. Get on there, it looks like it clamps down. And then right here is where you can, in fact, put it on your tripod or your selfie stick or whatever. And then there's the power and some kind of Q button. I'm not sure what that's all about. But I think, as you can see, there's a front and a back camera. Let's see what else it comes with. I'm assuming these are charger cables, but we're gonna find out. Let's see, yep, you've got one USB. It's a USB-C. I think that's a C. Yeah, C. Yeah, C. And then you've got, ooh, fancy. This looks like a little fancy velvet case that I can slide it into. Yep, look at that. Just like that. A fancy little velvet case that'll slide right into. Not bad. And then you've got some instructions, some know-how that I'll never read, a little microfiber. Pretty slick. All right, now, what else came in my box? I got the version that you can get the selfie stick. So this looks like it's an all-purpose tripod. All-purpose tripod right there. Yep. It came with the sticky lens guard. It almost looks like contacts. What do you know? That's pretty slick. Got a lens cap. I guess this goes over the top of it and you can just slide it right over so it doesn't mess up the lenses. Okay, cool. Last thing in this box here is an invisible selfie stick. Is it invisible? Let's find out. Looks pretty visible to me. Let's see. Whoop! I guess that's why they call it invisible, because it kind of extracts from the middle. You see there how it kind of just goes. Look at that. It's like a beating baton. It's actually pretty hardy. It's actually metal. Pretty good. I don't know how I'm going to be able to turn this, if it has a little ability to swivel at the top. So I'm gonna have to find that out. But why don't we try that right now? Pop this bad boy on. I'm assuming because it's 360, you can pretty much see anything and everything. So I guess you just kind of stick it up in the air like that. But if I wanted to film myself, I guess I kind of got to do it down here like this. Bam. Like that. What do you think? Probably the case, right? So I'm pretty interested in learning more about this. Let's turn it on. Okay, a little blue light. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. English or any of those Chinese or Japanese things, I don't know. Please download the Insta app in App Store or Google Play to activate your camera. Okay. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and download. Looks like it's yellow now. Probably means the battery is fairly low, or it doesn't have the app downloaded. It's light in my hand, so that's nice. It doesn't look like it wiggles very bad. It's gonna be interesting to see how it works when it comes to a YouTube versus a reel, if I need to go this way or that. I don't know yet. We're gonna find out. That said, I think that it's supposed to be a really good camera, 5.7K when it comes to 360 and less than 360, you can do it up to 1080 on certain modes. 4K obviously as well, but depending upon the parameters you're setting it, it may or may not be for full 4K. Well, I'm excited to use this. If you want to learn more about Insta360, please go to Insta360.com and you can find that. I will also leave a link below. Thank you.